I still have a little bit of retained heat in my oven, so I'm going to use it to prepare a condiment that I love to make, and that's garlic confit. You don't need very much heat, only around 250 Fahrenheit, that's 120 centigrade, and it will cook in about 45 minutes. If you don't have any retained heat in your oven, you can just as easily make this in a conventional oven or at a low heat on the stovetop. This is a fantastic way to preserve garlic. And the smoke point of olive oil is 375 Fahrenheit, that's 190 centigrade, so it's not going to burn, and the result is this wonderfully fragrant olive oil. And when it's ready, I'll go over some of the ways that I like to use it. So the ingredients are very simple. I have the separated cloves from 2 heads of garlic. I prefer to leave the skin on. About 20 peppercorns, 2 sprigs of rosemary and thyme, some salt, and 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Other aromatics you can use are red chilies, some bay leaves, and some fennel seeds. And I'm going to use my Finex cast iron sauce pot because it transfers and retains heat really well, but any small saucepan will work fine. I'll begin by adding all the garlic cloves to the pan. Add the peppercorns, the aromatics, a generous pinch of salt, and the olive oil to cover all the ingredients. Then I'll transfer the pan to the oven, put on the door, and leave it for around 45 minutes. The aroma from this pan is truly incredible. So I'm going to let this cool down and then transfer all of it to an airtight container. Here is the finished garlic confit. You can use this as soon as it's ready, but it will keep for around 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. And when you are ready to use it, simply remove the cloves from the jar and gently peel away the skin. You'll have these golden, tender, and flavorful cloves. I like to use garlic confit as a topping for pizza, creamy mashed potatoes, and wonderful roasted potatoes, to spread over toasted bread for a bruschetta, and to thicken sauces. The oil is great for dipping bread, like homemade focaccia. To flavor a bowl of olives, and to make a really flavorful salad dressing. Once you've made garlic confit, you're going to find so many ways to enjoy it.